A 7-inch double DIN car stereo that supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, mirror link, has Wi-Fi, runs on Android for only $299 Canadian, which is like potato shekels for the US folks. Today, we're gonna review the ATOTO A6PF double DIN stereo. What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be doing a brand new video with the ATOTO A6PF double DIN radio. I think our first thought that come into this is Amazon Android radio. And I think a lot of us have, bad memories about those. I think we've all had one at one point. ATOTO strives for a budget-friendly but quality product, and they definitely nailed it with their products. ATOTO is one of the most probably notable brands that come from Amazon, and those kind of Android Select radios that their system runs on. With this A6PF, you're getting multiple features like I mentioned at the beginning: wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, quick interface speeds, Wi-Fi connecting so you guys can do all the features like YouTube and everything like that. That cheaper price for the product that we're getting, is it quick, is it responsive, and is it going to slow down over time? Today we're going to be going through the unboxing, the installation, and a review at the end to see what kind of features are packed into this small but budget-friendly system. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into that unboxing. Here we have the gorgeous box showing all the features on the front here: Android, iOS, internet, dash cam, rear view camera, of course, microphone with the Bluetooth. Gonna waste no time, we're gonna get right into this. When you open up the box, you're going to see a lot of packaging and wiring. This is going to be your microphone, which is really cool that they include this. A few more wires and cables, harnesses for the back of the radio, some installation for the actual radio itself to the dash kit. It comes with a dash kit frame, some pamphlets and manuals, which is, again, really nice. Very slim design, not too big out the back, which is awesome, especially when you're dealing with a bit more of a harness situation. There is the display, nice matte black finish around the edge. Nothing cheap at all about this screen or anything. The screen is very nice. A lot of you guys, when you buy Amazon radios, you'll kind of think about the buttons being cheap. These have a very nice click to them, don't have that cheap feel at all. Very, very responsive, which is awesome. Got all your plugs on the back for the harnesses and everything. So now that we've gone ahead and taken this out, before we can actually put this in the car, we're gonna have to do all our wiring. So the first part of installing this, we're gonna be putting this into the double DIN dash kit that I have from Metra for my specific car. I've already put one side of the bracket on, I'm gonna go ahead and put the other side in. Now, since this is all put together, we can go ahead and put this into our double DIN. There it is, sitting inside. Now we're gonna secure the radio. And that's how it's gonna sit inside the car. I'm gonna get started by wiring the main harness together here. This is a main harness that comes off of the ATOTO. They're all labeled. Worst case scenario, I do have an aftermarket harness plug for my car, which I'm going to be using here, so they'll all line up color coded anyway. So we're just going to connect these together, and then that'll be the main harness complete. So I've finished installing the main harness to the ATOTO's main harness. The other two harnesses that we have here have to do with your sub and your rear camera, which we'll get to eventually, but install our dash cam that ATOTO sent as well. I'm also going to install the microphone that they sent to us. So dash cam and the microphone are next. A quick unboxing of the dash cam comes with the long wire that you're going to plug into the ATOTO's wiring harness, and then the actual dash cam itself. Little mounting tab on the back, and then the camera right here. This swivels very nice, doesn't move at all. It's very nice and tight in there, and a nice overall, almost like a black chrome design on this. And then the microphone so that you can see. Looks like it comes with a mounting clip. Also comes with a sticky pad. Microphone does have a filter on it, which is nice. And then obviously it plugs in to the back of the radio. So we're not gonna put the radio in just yet. We have our main harness here, and then, which we've wired up. Then we have this harness, which is to do with kind of like your Wi-Fi. So it's got park and brake, which doesn't apply to us, Wi-Fi antenna, the Bluetooth antenna, and then a rear camera input. Now with everything plugged in, just want to double check all your connections are secure. Let's go ahead. We can turn the car on. It is very quick when it turns on. There is no delay at all. This is going to be your home screen. One cool thing that I want to note to start off is that the dimmer works very well with this system. I've had issue with Amazon radios before not working. If I go ahead and turn on my lights, it does turn on. As you can see, lights down here turn on as well. So the dimmer is very functional. You're running on an Android 10 system here. You know, you're gonna run into slow issues with Android systems. This, however, blitzing quick. I don't think I've ever seen an Android system run this quick through its menus before. You can pop into settings. We got a lot of settings, Wi-Fi settings. Like I said, you can connect to Wi-Fi, which I have done. In general, again, you have a bunch of settings when it comes to rear view camera. Your line switches on and off. So you have multiple Bluetooth options. Obviously we have the microphone set up, so hands-free calling is a great option that you get with this unit. You can see all your contact lists. You can play music from your Bluetooth. This is your phone system through the actual ATOTO device. That's okay, but if you're buying this mainly for the CarPlay, you won't really be in there that much. Obviously you have your FM, you can play video, you have photos on here for whatever reason, you can set up your steering wheel controls. What's really cool I do like about this is the audio setup. You obviously have your loudness on and off, and we do have the subwoofer installed in the back. We have bass boost settings, stereo enhancement. Like, this is crazy. Again, something with Amazon radios is you don't get this. I've had an Amazon radio before, and audio tuning to this was, you can change your, like, this is actually really cool. Even with my brand name radio I had in here before, I didn't get this much tuning options, so this is really cool to see. Settings as well here, but audio, no problem. You guys are set up for sure. Obviously, if you look through here, you got Google Chrome. You go on the internet if you want. Maps, I didn't set up my GPS because I will be using CarPlay. Pandora, right? If you guys want to watch some of my videos. But I think the most important part that we want to see here is the CarPlay. So if I go ahead and pair my device to the ATOTO system, and here we have CarPlay. So I'm sure you guys are familiar with CarPlay. Again, it is quick, it is nimble. Everything that you need from CarPlay is here. It's the full system. There's no, confusing thing about it. This is my first time using CarPlay. I think my favorite feature so far about CarPlay is the maps. Again, it's very quick, not hard to use at all, and I'm going to be very, very happy with this feature for sure. It's a full interactive menu. You got your messages. I think you can voice to text. I think trying to find a good unit, a nice quick unit with CarPlay on it that doesn't break the bank is really hard, and I think ATOTO did it really well on this. You can look at features like, obviously you have your front dash cam. You'll have your rear view camera. My thoughts so far, excellent. I'm gonna have an enjoyable time tuning my music to how I would like it, but I'm also gonna have a blast, obviously, on CarPlay. I think this is gonna be the best part about this radio for sure. The ATOTO A6PF fully installed, ready to roll. And I just want to say thank you for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below. All the links for the products will be in the description below. If you want to visit the ATOTO page, it's all on Amazon. I'll have it there for you to check out. At the end of the day, I'm actually super stoked with how this turned out. Again, I think buying Amazon radios, you're kind of scared to do such thing, to be scared of, you know, the quality that'll come out of them. But I think ATOTO definitely has it down. The CarPlay is excellent. And the whole menu and everything about it is just super quick and awesome. And for the price tag, it's pretty good. I mean, the amount I spent on my name brand radio I had before and what I got out of that compared to what I get out of this for the same price tag, crazy, dude. I think CarPlay's hard to get your hands on for a good price, and I think this is a good one. If this is even a little too expensive for you guys, I am gonna be doing another one of these. I'm gonna be doing a cheaper version that ATOTO makes with CarPlay, and we're gonna be putting it up to the test and see how it compares to this one that we did today. Other than that, guys, thank you so much again. Keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.